GCSE Maths 2022 Edexcel Higher and Foundation Tiers Complete Unofficial Grade Boundaries Analysis by Smart Tutors. We reckon A star is going to be 162. That is the grade 8 and 9. The minimum marks for the A, it's going to be the 130. The minimum marks for the B is 101. Let's check it out. Hi everyone, GCSE qualifications are linear and only the maximum mark and grade boundaries for an overall qualification are available in this video. These are given in raw marks. Definition of terms. A grade boundary is the minimum mark at which a numbered grade between 9 and 1 can be achieved. For an example, if the grade boundary for a grade 6 is 70 marks, then 70 is the minimum mark at which a grade 6 can be achieved. A mark of 69 would there be a grade 5. Let's have a look of this assessment. All the questions and topics marked in green color, they are grade 4 to 5, and all the topics and questions marked in amber, orangey color, it's the level grade 6 and 7, and the ones marked in red color, they are grade 8 and above, 8 and 9. So what we did is, for a grade 4 to 5, we put all the green questions as the full or partial marks and take off all the red questions and amber questions 0. Assume that grade 4 to 5, a student scored nothing on the amber and the red questions. So even though sometimes you may score 1 or 2 marks on the amber and red question, but we take the bare minimum. So the bare minimums comes to paper 1 is 24, paper 2 is 24, and again paper 3 is 24. So altogether we reckon 72 marks is the minimum marks to have the grade 5. So let's have a look of the assessment 6 to 7. In the 6 to 7, we keep the green marks as it is, and we have made some minor changes over there, and we allow the amber questions, which is grade 6 to 7, to score a couple of marks from there. And we still assume all the red ones are 0. So all the red ones are 0, and the marks comes to as a paper 1 is 43, and paper 2 is 49, and paper 3 is 38. So total marks comes to 130, which means to achieve a grade 7 minimum marks, you need to have a 130. Now let's go to the 8 to 9. Grade 8 to 9, we keep the amber and green as it is, even though we made some couple of minor changes, and we allow the students to score a couple of red questions correct. That means the red questions are the hardest questions in the paper, even though some people may score a couple of marks or some people left it blank. So we make it, average it out, couple of marks for each question. So that totals paper 1 is 54, paper 2 is 56, and paper 3 is 52. That totals up to 162. Now bear in mind the question papers are different. So question papers are sometimes is easy, sometimes it's hard, and depends on the type of question came in paper 1 and paper 2 and paper 3. So we analyzed and we did ask so many questions from people who sat for the examination. The paper 1 is the hardest one among all 3. Paper 2 is the easiest one, and paper 3 is the next easiest one. So if I put that in the ascending order, easiest to hardest, paper 2, paper 3, and then paper 1. So we keep that all analytical mind in place, and we assess the grade boundaries based on the previous grade boundaries offered from Edexcel 2017 to 2019. That is the written exam, and 2020 and 2021 is the tax system, teachers assessment grades. So based on that one, we recommend awarding score means kind of a simple pass. It's the total score 44. You need to have a minimum 44 to get a awarding marks if you are a higher tier paper student. So if you want to have a strong pass, we call that as a good pass, you need to score total 72. And if you're a higher paper student and if you're scoring 72, that means a good pass. Then 101 is the B, and then 130 is the A, and if you are scoring above 162, it's considered as the A star, is level 8 and level 9. If you put that in the number scale, it's going to be number 9 is above 193 and above, and 162 is 8 and above. Total marks is 240. That is for the higher tier paper. For the foundation, right, so the maximum you can go for the B grade, so which is the level 5 is the target marks. If you're scoring a minimum 175, you are eligible to take the grade 5, and if anything above 142, it's grade 4. And you can see 105 is 3, 69 is 2, 31 is 1, and below is considered as the under, right? That is our unofficial analytical grade boundary offered by Smart Tutors, and I wish you all the best for all your future studies, and I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please give us a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel for upcoming videos. If you are planning to do maths as one of your subject in your A level, please connect with us in our channel. We are going to be posting and streaming about contents from the AS level very soon. Thank you and wish you all the best. Bye.